A single lightning bolt packs enough power to toast 100,000 slices of bread at once. That's like running an industrial toaster on overdrive, all in a fraction of a second. When lightning strikes, it releases a burst of energy hotter than the surface of the sun. This explosive force tears apart air molecules instantly, creating a shockwave that thunders across the sky. The air heats up so fast and so intensely, it expands with a force that splits nitrogen and oxygen right down to their atoms. That's why you hear that deafening crack. It's literally the sound of the atmosphere being ripped apart. So next time you see a flash, remember, you're witnessing an electrical surge powerful enough to fuel a breakfast army, all while rewriting the chemistry of the very air you breathe.